Hello everyone, welcome back with the second Sudoku. Sudoku Medium we have here in today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, June the 30th, 2021. And the second Sudoku, because the first one was a binary, the second one I've solved the second one I will solve is a medium Sudoku, and this will be a number 3024. Yes. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. And for 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Yes. Alright, so let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these two boxes. There 9, no 9 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1. No 1 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Alright. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then look, we have a 2 and 8 in this row, a 2 and 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 3 places for the 2 and the 8 should be in those 3 boxes. But we see here also 2 and 8 in this column. So no 2 and 8 in this box. The 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Let me see. 8. Alright. 5. Okay. Yeah. Okay. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So the column between, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there, and all the ones are used. I can see digit number 1. Alright. Then. Yeah. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 6 should be there. Okay. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So in the row between, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 6. I need to wait. 4 missing numbers now. Those two numbers are the 2 and the 8. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. You see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes in this big square. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7. I cannot fill this yet. 3, 4, 7. That means 1 box left. 3, 4, 7. This box should be a 9. Oh, wait. Alright. Alright. How about the 8 in this column, the 8 in the column next? So in the last column, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Okay. I cannot continue with the 8. How about the 6 now? 6 in this row, 6 in the third row. So in the row between, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. Alright. Alright. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 2 and 7. 2 and 7 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And the 7 goes there. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 4. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this 2 numbers left in this middle column. For the number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9. The 3 and the 9 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 5 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Yeah. The 7 is missing. 3, 5, 4. 3, 5, 4. Okay. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 4 and 2. 4 and 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Those 2 numbers in this big square. The 5 and 7. 5 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Okay. And now, 3, 3. Yeah. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. There 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left. In this big square for the numbers 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 9. Alright. Two. Yeah. 3, 2, 4. Okay. We have 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4. No 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. In this column, we have 2 missing numbers, the 3 and the 4. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this big square, so no 4 there. So the only place for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 3. And now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 5. 1 box left in this row for the number 3. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. Then. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 4, but we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this big square, so this box cannot be a 4. The box for the 4 should be here. 1 box left in the last row for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 2 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box should be an 8. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 5. 8 and 5. You see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Wow. Yeah, I'm pleased with the time, 13 minutes, because I've told you I need for a 2 stars Sudoku, or a Sudoku with 26 printed digits, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, I have solved this faster than 15 minutes, so is this really a 2 stars? Well, let me give this a 1 star, and I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the Killer Sudoku, regular Killer Sudoku on Wednesday. See you then. Bye bye for now.